for the men who are looking to earn an income from their phone. They have no idea how to get started. I know a lot of people are Googling how to YouTube, how to make money online, and they come across a lot of videos. They don't know exactly where to start. I was exactly where you were at when several years ago, I didn't know like how to earn an income from my phone. So I was used to working 60 plus hours in a week as a complete beginner. All I knew was to work, overtime, work weekends. I didn't know what work-life balance was really like. So in 2024, I looked into how to make an income from my phone. I tried several different options. I tried email marketing, I tried affiliate marketing. Nothing really landed until I got into digital marketing. I'm going to explain how you can start working from your home without having to go out and get a second job. If you're new here, my name is Joe, and for 11 years I worked in logistics as a FedEx driver, Centos driver, and also a Lyft driver. No matter what I did, it still wasn't enough for me to make ends meet. That is why I want to help men in their 40s and 50s who are tired of struggling, tired of having arguments with their family, tired of being present or being absent. I will go over how this program works, how a complete beginner can start earning an income from their phone. First thing you gotta realize is that in order to make any kind of income on your phone, you have to sell something. You have to have an automated business that will allow customers to discover you at any time. The best way to do that is to have a automated business and an offer that people will be attracted to. In our business, we work 2 hours a day. Why 2 hours? Because our founder believed in 2 hours of focused activity where you prioritize doing a free ad strategy, responding to comments and emails, and creating 3 pieces of content. I'll get to that in a second. The other thing that this program promotes is being able to use your phone because everybody's on social media. Like you will walk around and you will see nothing but people on their phones all the time. With that being said, you have to have a platform of choice, whether that's Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, or TikTok. You have to have an offer that people would want to have access to because information is rampant. They don't buy facts, they buy feelings. That's why you have to relate to customers. That's why you have to share your story. Tell people what it is that got you into digital marketing, what got you into looking for how to make an income online, and then serve people. My target audience is people in their 40s and 50s. I know what the burnout looks like when you're working 60 plus hours in a week. You're trying to figure out how am I going to be able to earn an income from my phone. Here's how you do that. First, you have an offer. Whatever the offer is, you have to make it attractive enough for someone to say, I want in. Second, you have to have an automated business. Meaning, if you ever go on Amazon at 2 in the morning, you can order whatever you want without getting on the phone with anybody, without sliding into DMs. It is a brilliant business model because in the old ways you had to be open between certain hours. What if somebody reaches you at 2 in the morning or 3 in the morning? Who's going to be there? With this program, you don't have to worry about doing any of those things because your system does all the work for you. So the system is doing the selling. You're just sharing your story. With a 2 hour workday, this is how it breaks down. The first 30 minutes is you're doing a free ad strategy or you're going live. It's one of the two. The next 30 minutes, you're responding to comments and emails. The last hour, you're creating 3 pieces of content, a 7-second video, a 30-second video, and a minute video. I know what you're gonna say. I'm scared of putting my face out there or I don't wanna create content. We do have faceless. So you don't have to worry about having your face shown if you don't want to. We do teach you how you can use testimonials, how you can share the results from other people, let people see what is possible because it's not about you, it's about serving the customer. The second thing that you have to understand is that the videos are attraction marketing tools. If you've ever watched anything on Netflix or Amazon Prime, you were attracted to a certain movie, TV show, whatever, a binge watch. Same thing with your content. You bring awareness to people's situation. What you do with that is you show them that there is a solution to their problem because people are always searching, like, how can you help me? That's the one question that you have to ask yourself is how can you help me? There are 3 other things that you have to focus on. Who you are, who you help, what problems can you address? Those are the simple ways of earning income from your phone. With this program, you are promoting digital products. You are not selling anything. You are not creating anything from scratch. You are simply taking the tools from this program and you are promoting your products. Because of master resale rights, you get to sell the the courses or the programs for 100% profit. Our founder believed and she wanted people to keep 100% profits. I have 4 programs. I have 900, 600, 300, and 100. Every single one of them have multiple income streams except for the 100. That's a launch pad. Every single one of them have strategies on how you can use social media, how you can do the free ad strategy, how you can grow and bring awareness to your offer. Every single one of these, you can resell it if you want to. If you don't want to, you don't have to. If you have other products that you want to promote, you can do that. If you have your own digital product or your own physical product, you can do that as well. There's so many tools and how to earn an income from your phone. This one is more robust. This one is versatile. It will allow you to do so many amazing things. You don't have to slide into DMs. You don't have to call anybody. You don't need any tech skills. You don't need any experience. We have people in their 40s all the way up to their 80s who's doing this program. We have people in their 20s and 30s who are doing this. Stay-at-home moms, blue-collar workers, retirees. We have so many amazing people all over the world who's willing to do this. The best part about this program is it's open for anybody. And if you want to know more about this program and how you can get started, you just need your cell phone and Wi-Fi, and just put info in the comments. I will send you all the details on how you get started. Again, you're just working 2 hours a day. For a lot of people who are used to working 60 plus hours in a week, the idea of working 2 hours sounds foreign to them. Think about it like this. When you get your income producing activities done in 2 hours, you have 20 plus hours to do whatever you want to do. Your system is working for you 24/7, just like Amazon, just like Pizza Hut, just like Walmart, just like Kroger. All of those sites have, a storefront where you can go to and you can just buy whatever you want. You don't have to DM anybody, you don't have to call anybody. You are simply just going, add item to cart, and then you're purchasing it. Same thing with your capture page. The capture page is what brings it all together. It allows someone to opt in, and then once they opt in, they can look at the information and see if it's for them. And then if they decide it is for them, they can purchase from you at any time. And we have people all over the globe. We have people in South Africa. We have people in Australia. We have people in like Kansas, in Brazil, in France. So you can get a customer from anywhere at any time, and you can just be hanging out with your family. You get a notification that your business generated a sale. So this is a complete beginner-friendly program. You do not have to create anything. You do not have to show your face if you don't want to. You don't have to bother your friends and family. You don't have to have any tech skills. You don't have to call anybody. And most of you do not have to have any experience or college degree to do this. That's why I want to help 5 men this month start their own online business in 2026. We're about to hit September. We're also about to do what's called a 90-day sprint starting September 1st. And I want to help people get started with their business. There's also no monthly fees, and you can keep 100% profit. And have 4 programs available: a $100 program, $300 program, $600 program, a $90 program. And I will do more in-depth videos on every single one of these, so you know which one is right for you. So if you want to get started, again, put info in the comments and I'll send you all the details.